Welcome back sa Buhok Gaming Channel. And guys, for this episode, titignan natin yung panibagong music video ni Danjo, ang nag-iisang Capital Master or NFT King. No? Si Master Danjo, isa yan sa mga kasama natin sa hanap buhay dito sa cryptocurrency, metaverse, NFT. Napaka-humble na tao niyan. So previously, no, na-review din natin or nagkaroon tayo ng reaction dun sa unang music video ni Master Danjo. Right now, ngayong 2024, lumabas na itong bagong single niya na Crypto Dance. Available yan sa Spotify at available din sa mismong YouTube channel ni Master Danjo. Guys, blind natin papanood dito. Ngayon ko pa lang din papanood dito. Samahan natin. Bibigyan natin ng reaction. Pero knowing Master Danjo, okay, talaga nag-i-improve yan. Nakita natin yung mga previous posts niya, no? Kung naka-follow kayo sa YouTube channel niya, laging nasa ibang bansa. Okay? Pag gala-gala si Master Danjo, siguro yung mga ginagawa niya sa ibang bansa, makikita din natin dito sa Crypto Dance. So, hindi natin papatagal. By the way guys, baka hindi pa kayo nakaka-subscribe ha. Dito kay Master Danjo, mag-subscribe na rin kayo. Right now, 423,000 na yung subscriber ni Master Danjo. Sana all. Okay, ako around 48 pero yun yan, no? Si Master Danjo, pag may mga project din kasi yan, binabatuan din niya tayo. So, thank you, Sir Danjo. And ngayon, panoodin natin itong Crypto Dance, no? So, play natin. Ni-right-click ko na dito yan. Play nga natin sa simula. Lakas na nga natin.
Used to be the playboy, thought I had it all. Yeah, chasing every thrill, watching hearts fall. But then she stepped in, saw right through my game. I thought I had some time, but lost her just the same. One day, your girl was impressed, that's all it took to see it. While you're out there hustling, I'm banging half for free. I swooped in, no stress, had her falling in just one night. All it takes is one DM to make her suck it right. Now I can take a Michelin dining and 5-star hotels. And I ain't like no regular brother, had IG models. But I don't want them long term in my life. If she a good girl, then I might make her my wife.
Cause now I'm here, and you're not around. I should have cherished you, but I let you down. Regrets consume me in this empty space. What would I give to see your face? To see your face. I miss your touch, I miss your laugh, I miss you, baby. Should have held you close, but I chose the wrong road, baby. Cause I miss you, I love you, I wanna kiss you. Together we should dance my crypto romance. Together we should dance my crypto romance.
Love was a joke, something easy to obtain. Never thought my actions could cause such pain. Sleeping with her all night, so the same to me. Losing her made me finally see. Thought I had it all, but I lost sight of the ones who made my world so right. Late nights, empty bed, feeling so cold. The good ones slip away, or so I'm told. Had the world of options, couldn't see the gem. Chased all the wrong things, now I hate to condemn. Late nights, empty space, feeling so cold. Lost a good girl, a story often told.
Cause now I'm here, and you're not around. I should have cherished you, but I let you down. Regrets consume me in this empty space. What would I give to see your face? To see your face. I miss your touch, and I miss your laugh, I miss you, baby. Should have held you close, but I chose the wrong road, baby. Cause I miss you, I love you, I wanna kiss you. Together we should dance my crypto romance. Together we should dance my crypto romance.
Lost a good woman, she was bad too. Many heartbreak, it was sad news. Hot, I feel like a damn fool. For thinking forever, I can't lose. Took a lover for granted. Damn it, now I gotta start it off brand new. Steady reminiscing about the past moves. Don't know we're on another path too. Heart, I can never compare. care. Though a heart, it would never repair. In the dark, yeah, love is a dare. Play a part, let me know that you're there, yeah. Let me let you motherfuckers know this here is way deeper than fame. She was the love of my life. Things will never ever be the same.
Cause now I'm here, and you're not around. I should have cherished you, but I let you down. Regrets consume me in this empty space. Oh, what would I give to see your face? To see your face.
Sound check. Okay, okay, okay. Napakalupit. Maangas talaga tong si Master Danjo natin. Oh, dedicated to dun sa girlfriend niya, no? Si Anastasia. Alam ko, taga-ibang bansa to. Ano bansa ba yun? Nakalimutan ko pero binablog yan, no? Dun sa mga travel nila. Alam mo, nag-Dubai to si Master Danjo. Eh. Ano tayo? Reaction tayo. Unang-una guys good thing kay Master Danjo natin. So alam naman natin, nasa crypto yan. Yung mismong kanta, yung mismong lyrics nung binabasa ko, tugma pa rin sa cryptocurrency na doon pa rin yung vibes okay, ng crypto, ng metaverse. Pero nakita ko previously sa isang video niya, nagra-rap na si Master Danjo. No? So panibagong improvement, pinapakita niya yung pagiging artist niya. Okay? Talagang sa mention ko nga kanina, no? Nag-upgrade, nadadagdagan. So, gano'n naman talaga, no? Kung lagi mo ginagawa yung isang bagay, passion mo, talagang daily marami kang matututunan. So, right now, nakikita natin yung mga natutunan din ni Master Danjo dito sa video niya. Okay, so may rap na, nandun pa rin nakita rin natin yung quality ng video, guys, Hindi lang kung saan-saan kinuha yan, may mga shot sa ibang bansa, no? So, siguro kaya yung ibang picture niya, yung ibang nila pinapost niya nasa ibang bansa siya, in preparation na yan para dito sa Crypto Romance. Sinaan ko lang muna and then play lang natin. No? In preparation sa Crypto Romance. So, ito talaga si Master Danjo, no? Babaero? Okay, dalawa na naman. Yung chick mo dito, Master Danjo, no? Nahuli ka na naman. Okay, so, ayun guys, sa ano lang naman yan, sa music video lang naman yan. Pero nakita natin yung quality ng video and then yung improvement, tapos yung mga guests pa. Okay, so I'm expecting this 2024, no? Siguro 3 or 4 na single kung kaya ni Sir Danjo natin, pwede siyang maglabas. And then we are expecting din na paganda ng paganda lalo, no, in terms of lyrics kasi nakita na natin yung improvement comparing dun sa previous na single niya. Kung di niyo pa napapanood, double check niyo na lang. And then right now, para sa akin mas nataasan to. Okay, mas maganda to comparing dun sa unang single niya. Pero maganda rin yung unang single niya, no? Maganda rin yung aral nung, mas may aral kasi yun eh. Ito naman parang mas may vibes, may dating. Okay, kung medyo maangas ka, parang ito para sa itong genre na to. So again, pag may panibago to si Sir Danjo, si Master Danjo natin, bibigyan pa rin natin ng reaction niyan, bibigyan pa rin natin ng honest opinion niyan. Ako mismo, medyo bias ako sa MTV niya kasi nga, ganito yung mga gusto kong vibes, no? Yung nagfe-flex ng mga girlfriend. Ayan yung mga gusto kong pinapatugtog kahit sa mga R&B ko. So again, hopefully, no, madagdagan pa tong single niya sa Spotify. So, kung hindi pa kayo nakaka-subscribe sa Spotify niya, yung link nito, ilalagay ko na lang sa description, pati yung link ng YouTube song na to, ilalagay ko din sa description, Okay? So, again, always remember, Danjo Capital and Buhok Gaming Channel loves you all. See you again in my next video. Salamat! Mwah!